Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video I am going to be doing this makeup look. It's not a lot, it's just something if you are quarantined or staying indoors and you don't want to, or if you just want to like put a little something on to make yourself feel better. I find that if I'm not doing anything or just staying in my pajamas, I don't feel very good, so doing a little bit. Hopefully this something that you can do or that you like. So if you'd like to see how I do this makeup, just keep watching. And what else? If you do like this, please watch all the way through the end, like and subscribe, and let's get started. Starting off with Strobe Cream in Peach Light. I don't really use foundation. Oh god, foundation. Just concealer where needed, because I want it to look more natural, and especially if I'm just trying to feel a little bit put together for the day and really not like doing too much. I find just a little bit of concealer where needed does the trick, especially under my eyes, because whenever I look in the mirror and I don't have any makeup on, I'm like, oh god. And just throw it on with your fingers. Take a small brush with a slightly lighter color, just because I have those bags and I like to trick myself into thinking I don't. See, just that little bit does so much. And if you have any like spots, you can just touch those up. Throw on a little bit of bronzer. This is the Chanel Soleil de Temps. I use it mainly for contour. It just warms up the skin. Oof, that forehead, damn. Okay, so I'm gonna use basically just one lipstick for my eyes, cheeks, and lips. This is Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. And if I just want to add like a little bit of color, make myself feel a little bit better, just throw that on the lids. Mainly on the lid, a little bit pushed up into the crease with what's left on your finger. I like to keep it almost like right underneath my concealer, because I've already taken care of the sculpting with the bronzer. So I'm trying to keep busy, but I still want to make myself feel good. So I'll get dressed, put a little bit of makeup on, but I also have a lot to do because I've been cooking, learning Spanish, taking care of all my DIYs, but I will make videos on those too. So I feel like in these times, it's nice to, with social distancing, at least you can like watch your friends if you can't get in touch with them via video chat or anything like that. Now just with a little bit of powder, a little bit under the eyes. In quarantine with my son. A little bit of brows. I did bleach my brows even though I said that I wouldn't, but I find that I like a softer look. So I can do a video on how I bleach my brows, but it really isn't very safe. But I've been doing it for years and I managed not to get it in my eyes. But if you would like to see it, please let me know. I have lots of time on my hands. So I just kind of give it a little bit more dimension. I'm not putting a lot through them. Put my beauty mark on. And you can just go in with your lipstick, but I like a little bit more definition and to make them look a little bit bigger. So I am using, this is from L'Oreal, and I really like this color. It's called Matting Call. And it looks like this, and it's a waterproof pencil, so it stays on a lot longer if you're drinking or kissing or eating. So it just adds to your natural lip color. And then you can go in and put a lot on, but I just like to, I can either take your finger and plump it in, or just use the bullet. And it's matte, so it tends to stay on a little bit longer and better. And then a little bit of mascara. Somebody gave this to me. This is the Yves Rocher in 01 Noir. Looks like this. And it was in the packaging for quite some time, and I was like, ugh. For some reason, I'm like, it's not gonna work. But I tried it out, and it's actually a really lovely mascara. Makes them nice and thick really quickly and lengthens. It's got one of those brushes. I think it's rubber, but they're really fine and well spread out. I've also been trying to catch up on my movies, and yesterday I saw Gia, which I've been wanting to see again for a really long time, and I couldn't find it anywhere, but Amazon Prime has it on. Such a tragic story, but Angelina Jolie was so good in it. Great movie. What movies have you been watching? I've been trying to find something else to watch besides Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt and 30 Rock. Let me know. Just a little bit on top and bottom. Not a little. And voila. So that's pretty much it. Let me add a little bit of highlighter. These are some of my favorite highlighters. This one is called Wisp, and it's Color Pop. I find that it always comes broken, but it's a very creamy, powdery consistency, so you can just mush it back into the pan, but I've had this for a long time. So it's almost done, but it gives such a beautiful highlight to the skin. Why not? So that's pretty much it. Just a really quick little bit of makeup so that you don't fall into just wearing your pajamas while you're in quarantine all day. Add a little bit of color to the skin. Yeah, and that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other ideas, I've got time on my hands, so please let me know if there are any videos that you'd like to see from me in this time. And you know, there's a lot of shit going on, but there's a lot of really good people out there that are doing really nice things. So follow those people, laugh a little bit, be informed, watch the news, but then, you know, switch to a comedy, go back and forth, so you don't go crazy, like myself. So be safe. We're gonna get through this, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.